Second practical of industrial AC machine is connect and run a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor using DOL, star delta or auto transformer starter, any two of them. The outcome of this practical is you should able to connect and run three-phase squirrel cage motor in both directions using DOL, star delta or auto transformer starter. So in DOL starter, DOL means direct online starter, which is used for the motors rating below 5 HP or up to 5 HP. So if you have to use the DOL starter, so connection is very simple. You have to connect the three-phase supply to the input side of DOL starter and output side of DOL starter, which is connected to the motor. If you have to change the DOR, direction of rotation of motor, then you have to interchange any two lines from the output of the starter. जे स्टार्टरला आउटपुट आहे त्याच्या दोन कोणत्याही लाईन म्हणजे आर वाय किंवा वाय बी किंवा आर बी या तीनपैकी कोणत्याही दोन लाईन इंटरचेंज केलात की तुमची मोटर जी आहे ती काय होते, इंटरचेंज होते. ओके, सो हे झालं ड्युअल स्टार्टरसाठी. इन केस ऑफ स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर, दी स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर विच इज यूज्ड फॉर दी मोटर्स अबव 5 HP, 5 HP पेक्षा मोठ्या मोटर्स जे असतात त्यांच्यासाठी स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर वापरतात. सो ड्युरिंग स्टार्टिंग ऑफ मोटर, स्टार्टर operates in star so that the voltage given or faded to the each winding, which is phase voltage, and in delta fashion the voltage which is the line voltage. So as the voltage faded to the winding, each winding which is phase voltage, then current gets reduced. So starting current which is limited using the star connection. So त्यावेळी काय असतं आपल्याला, वी रिक्वायर्ड दी 6 टर्मिनल्स ऑफ मोटर, 6 टर्मिनल मोटरचे काढलेले असतात आणि ते स्टार्टरला दिलेले असतात. सो दी स्टार्टर्स विच आर क्लासिफाईड इन 3 टाइप्स: मॅन्युअल स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर, सेमी ऑटोमॅटिक स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर अँड ऑटोमॅटिक स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर. So this one is the experimental setup where 3-phase supply which is faded to the starter, star delta starter. So this is the 3-phase supply which is faded to the star delta starter, dual starter. So this is the input of dual starter, output of dual starter, which is given to the switch. So this switch which is used to interchange the phases, then this is the output of the switch which is faded to the motor. So this is the slip ring induction motor. So the slip rings are short circuited. Okay, so this one is the DOL starter where this is the thermal relay and this one is the contactor. याला contactor असं म्हणतात. So contactor is nothing but the electromechanical switch having the coil. This one is the coil. Okay, and this is the setting of current. So you can set the value of current. So this relay is which can be used for the motor rating from 5 to 10 amperes. That is the maximum current. So after that there is the switch. So this is the 3-pole 2-way switch. So 3-pole 2-way switch which is used. आता इथे बघितलं तर काय आहे, the R phase which is connected to the R phase, then this Y phase connected here and this Y phase connected here. So इथे काय केलं तर इंटरचेंज करण्यासाठी इथे कनेक्शन केलेली आहेत. एका बाजूला नेलात तर काय होईल, RYB जे इनपुट आलेलं आहे ते मोटरच्या RYBला मिळेल आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला केलात तर RYB जे आहे ते मोटरच्या YRBला मिळेल. सो दी फेजेस आर इंटरचेंज अँड सो दॅट दी डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोटर गेट्स रिव्हर्स्ड. ओके, सो आपण मोटर चालू करून बघूया. फर्स्ट आय विल गिव दी RYB to the RYB of motor using this switch. Then I am switching on the ICTP of, then the DOL starter on button is pressed, the contactor gets magnetized and motor which is runs. So motor which is runs with the anti-clockwise direction. So again I am switching off the DOL starter, so which gets magnetized and motor which is stopped. Okay, now to interchange the phases I am using the switch. So the switch which is pushed towards the another direction, and now again the DOL starter which is operated. So again motor rotated with the clockwise direction. So the direction of motor which can be reversed using the interchanging of phases. So this one is the semi-automatic star delta starter having 3 contactors. So this is the main contactor, this one is the delta contactor, and this one is the star contactor. आता हे समजायचं कशावरून? So supply, 3-phase supply which is RYB, which is fed to the first contactor through motor terminals which is fed to the third contactor RYB. So म्हणजे याला जर आपण A1 A2 A3 A1 B1 C1 म्हटलं तर ह्या साईडला आपण म्हणणार A2 B2 C2. हे दोन साईड झाल्या मोटरच्या वाइंडिंगच्या. तर जर मोटरच्या वाइंडिंगची एक साईड शॉर्ट केली सो ते कनेक्शन कोणतं होणार? स्टार कनेक्शन. ओके, सो वेन मेन अँड स्टार which gets magnetized, what happened? The motor runs on star. Then the star gets demagnetized and delta gets operated. सो डेल्टा कसा केला आहे तर इकडून खालून येणारं हे RYB जे आहे, तर वरून येणारं जे आहे ते आणि खालून येणारं ह्या A2 B2 C2 यांना काय केलं आहे? डेल्टा फॅशनमध्ये इथे जोडलेला आहे, सो दॅट दी मोटर रन्स ऑन डेल्टा फॅशन. मग आपल्याला बघायचं होतं की स्टार आणि डेल्टामध्ये नेमकं व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस वाइंडिंग जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय नेमका डिफरन्स मिळतो. सो दॅट वी हॅव टू सी. So this one is the star delta starter where the multimeter with voltmeter range which is connected across the one winding. So A1 and A2. Okay, so if we start the motor, what happened? The winding gets supplied with the phase voltage as the winding which is connected in star, and then the motor which runs on the delta fashion. So I am switching on the motor. So the winding which is supplied with 239 volts which is the phase voltage. If I release this switch, then motor which gets converted to the delta fashion. So the voltage across winding which is the line voltage. Okay, so this one is the motor with 7.5 HP rating. So also we can check the current flowing during star connection and delta connection. So I am connecting here the clamp-on meter on current range, and we have to check the motor current. So first I am starting the motor on star connection. Please concentrate on clamp-on meter. So the current, starting current which is 9.80 for delta which is reduced to 3.03. So in this practical we have studied the connection of the DOL starter, direct online starter, and star delta starter. Then how to change the direction of rotation of motor using interchanging phases. Thank you.